What's up, guys? Go Potato back here. The voice should be better since, still in the previous video, the voice is pretty. This time, you guys can pretty much hear my voice. Anyway, I'm gonna be playing 2 rounds as usual. And let me just look at. I really want to get this outfit. No, not this one. Yeah, this one. Guys, look at how cool this is. Man, guys, look at this armor. This is the standard one I have. I mean, I have this helmet on. I have other classes. Oh, this D8. This loadout 2. Okay, I'm gonna go loadout 3. And our multiplayer adventure. Free for all. Oh, never mind. So I want to get more mega packs and elite packs. Get more weapon, unlock new armor. I mean, I'm really excited to see what else this game got. I mean, the armor looks sick. I'll be back when this loads up. Yeah, we're back. You guys should a little bit better now, since I turned the game volume a little bit down, and sorry for the voice in the background. The noise in the background. Yeah, you guys should be able to hear my voice better now. I'm gonna play 2 rounds. Oh, sticky. Somebody shot me. Got him. And oh shoot. So if you guys cannot hear my voice, you guys can put it in the comments. Maybe this is the best I could do. I turned the volume to like only 1%. Just so that you guys can hear. Now I'm gonna be doing a lot of videos on a lot of this kind of videos on this channel. And also there will be more Five Nights at Freddy's video coming. I don't know what happened to the Five Nights at Freddy's 4 video. Like, I had them before, but now I just got deleted. I don't know why. And crap. Yeah, I mean, Five Nights at Freddy's 4 don't work on my phone. Oh, somebody's here. So, yeah. I mean, there are a lot of people like first-person shooter game. I do Friday videos where I talk about how's the weekend in my school, and I'll put up a music, the first-person shooter game, and yeah. Just checking the time. Oh, sticky grenades. Stupid dot. I got before. Only got 4 kills. Gotta get more. Oh, there's a guy. Oh, shoot somebody. And please help me get more views. Tell your friends to watch my channel if you like my channel. And maybe if my YouTube channel is long enough to survive the YouTube drama, then maybe later I'll make a video game guides video. Yeah, I mean, feel like it's a pretty good thing to make YouTube videos. Like filming, doing MLG gaming. Not that really MLG, since I only got 12. Number 3. This is that guy. Oh crap! Somebody just killed me. That guy. Literally, I think everyone is fighting in this place. This. Oh. I know it's like been a long time I haven't made a video, and then suddenly I've been making videos crazy. But, I wanted to make videos, but it's not really getting a chance to, but now I do. Really gotta make a lot of videos. I mean, I'm sorry guys if I couldn't play console games because I can only make mobile for now. But maybe you know. Oh, that by me. Oh crap! Oh, round man. It's some number 3. The Pumpkinhead. It's me, number 3. Seriously. 80, 50. Yes, 10 credits. Maybe one day, I don't know if we're gonna have a lot of credits. I'm gonna do a lot of openings. And if anyone, any of you maybe make some guides how to get some stuff in this game. Stuff are hard to get in this game, like you need credits and stuff. And I'll cut this part. Guys, let's go. I don't know why people vote over this place. I want the vintage, but oh, that lag. This scared me. I thought the game was gonna crash again. Okay, let's see. Let's hunt some. Okay, where are they? Literally, when we're trying to find them, they're just like hide away. And literally, when we try to get like everywhere. Literally. Oh, I saw a guy. On. Voice in the background. No, there's actually there's other people living in my house, and talk a lot. Oh god, seriously, I'm number 8. Really sorry to the voice in the background. That's my aunt. Sorry for you guys. Oh my gosh, guys, just doing my praise. Literally, how am I doing it all bad on camera again? Literally. Sorry guys for the voice. I'm speaking again. God, I'm number 8. Seriously. Oh, I got it. I'm gonna lose this one. Somebody's here. Oh, that guy's there. You ain't rooting for me. Bruh. Seriously. Come on. Now I'm number 10. So this is not fun. Oh my god. Right out the door. I don't even know how much sorry I'm gonna say for the noise in the background. Oh, why am I saying sorry? Oh my god, the gun just got killed. Man. God, I don't care if he's unstoppable. I'm number 10, I got 0 kills. How's this one? Oh, saw someone? Oh my god. Be back, bitch. And the map up. Oh god, that's just a big looking up. I don't know why. Oh god, I got killed by this guy. He uses a scout gun. Please, sorry guys. Sorry if you guys see the stupid version of me literally getting killed by everyone. I got 1 kill. That's wrong. 1 kill is supposed to have 2. That joke, the guy with the clown face, keep on killing me. Dude, what am I doing? Come on. Losing this round. Sorry for the noise. God. He killed me with a pistol. Sucks. I'm gonna be the last one. Literally, I'm gonna lose. I'm gonna lose point. Lose everything, guys. This round, you see it? Don't even forget you saw it. If you saw it, it's bullshit. I'm just wasting my time. God, the clown face, you need to die. Oh, this guy needs to die too. He died. Who else did die? 14, literally. Oh, come on. This guy's getting assassinated. Yeah, still number 9. So I got 5 kills. Oh, that guy's just, oh. That company to get some kills. Putting those seconds left. Where's that guy? Oh, really? Not the freaking sniper. I want not even get spotted by people. Okay, got another kill. And I'm supposed to kill this guy. Okay, got him. That won't be still kills. Some kills. Oh, come on. Just got one time when he hit me with his gun, I'm already dead. So number 7, right? Oh, yep.
We'll get him next time.
Oh, look at that gun, like really stuck over there. Oh, great. Still get some credits. Oh, I got a combat pack. Let's go open that. Alright, guys, I'm back. Let's go back. Oh yeah, we got a pack, so let's go open it. I really want to just really stuck. Oh god, just dropped my phone. So what we got? We go with the first one. 2, 3 blueprint. I don't really like assault class attachment. Oh, I'm gonna open both. Oh, upgrade part for submachine gun. Too bad I got testing subject on. Not testing subject. Is experimental weapons. Thanks everyone. And oh, what is this? Customize. What? Oh. So thanks everyone for watching. I'll see you next time. And subscribe, friend. I hope you were able to hear my voice. And I'll see you next time. Peace.